ಬಾಯ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜೊಚ್ರೆ ಕೊರಿಕೆ
No,
Okay.
His
instincts on the right place. Thank you.
All right, you enjoy this too.
ಪೋ ಬುಜ್ಜಿ ಪೋ ಟಚ್ಕೊಂಡ
I have it wrapped. Hi, did you see the show? Oh, no. Okay, because there's a certain way. I'll let you touch, but there's a certain way to touch. 2 fingers.
Okay.
And from here to here, and then lift your hand, and then do it again.
Okay.
Okay, so all of you can touch, but one at a time.
Okay.
Okay? So would you like to start?
Okay.
This way? Yes, perfect. Excellent. Good job. You're natural. Would you like to
But he doesn't want to touch.
He can use his whole hand. Just relax. Okay. Put your hand flat.
We got this next. Some blue tongues from Australia. She really does have a good tail.
Go ahead. I just want to move it instead of no grabbing. Just
Did you guys miss the presentation?
like
because we
this.
talked about the
Good job. Great job. And Dad, would you like
does have a
to?
blue tongue. That's
Yeah,
what
sure.
the fence
Okay,
is.
so just right down here, right in the middle of the back. We never touch the head, and we never touch the tail area. Yeah. It would be like my pounding your. I don't think you'd like that, right? So this is a bald python. It's called a royal python or bald python because they roll up into a ball.
Okay.
This is a blue-tongued skink, so some of the differences that you didn't hear, snakes don't have eyelids, so their eyes are always open. You don't know if they're asleep or not. It doesn't have ear holes, this one does. So snakes don't hear, they feel vibration.
Okay.
And they have a forked tongue. So what they have a Jacobson organ inside. They are testing the chemical composition of the air. So you smell good because it's really sticking its tongue out. So it can smell with its nose, but they do primarily with their tongue. They bring the air under that Jacobson organ, and they can tell what's out there and what's to the. It's a fork. What's to the left or what's to the right. Yeah. So
Is
she's
this venomous or
No, they're not venomous or poisonous. I wouldn't hold it if it was. It is a constrictor, so as you might have seen, I had it wrap its tail around my leg to anchor it, to help it feel more comfortable.
Okay.
Okay?
Let me see. Sure, it's a python.
You like it? Now I have to just get unhooked. And then you can see the scales on the top are very different than the scales on the bottom. The scales on the bottom are called scoots and help them like scoot along. They open up a little. And so
Would you guys like to touch the steak? It's a
yeah, this
So
is
how
yeah.
often they go for a prey or like a
I think they eat every 2 days. They're
Oh no, they eat like every 7 to 10.
oh okay. And we feed them
Little pinky mice.
little pinky mice that have all
Even chicks
been
sometimes.
flash frozen and then heated up.
Oh.
So they're never fed anything
Right.
alive because if it doesn't get it the first time, it could be hurt. The prey could bite them.
Oh,
And then
okay.
you have possibly 2 injured animals.
got it.
So.
All right, anybody want to touch
Yeah,
our skink?
Would you,
Oh, you're welcome. Try this one. Feel it's totally different.
what is this one?
feel.
Blue tongue skink. She really does have a blue tongue if she'll show it to us. She's from Australia. They live in the backyards and they eat snails.
Oh wow.
So that's why she's nice and big and she's got these little bitty legs because she doesn't have to move very fast. Would you like to try to touch her? Her name is Azul.
Good shot. Do you want
You want to touch it?
Right down her back,
Go ahead.
just like you touched the snake. There we go. Oh, that is very nicely done. I know, no fear. I love kids. It's like, give me. Right? All right.
Do you want to touch
Hey,
Puju?
you guys, have a squirt.
ನೀ ಟಚ್ ಪண்றியா
நான் பண்ணிட்டேனே.
Okay, well, our show is over, but if you want to come over and touch our skink, you can.
Can I touch the list?
Come over and just look at her. She's great. It's a blue tongue skink.
தம்பி கையில் போட்டுட்டியா
Yeah.